Also at the same time ukhuluma ngesitezi umuntu ethi hey lo uyachoma lento it depends on ukuthi uyibuka kanjani. So yabona mina mengikubuka ngiyasho ukuthi now say ngize ngabuyigcela sekhaya ngathi yabo le siza lesima kuzovuka sakathina la. But tell us about Ntuli sisters.
Look, I know a lot of people. Okay, this one thing uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. Uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa, he give you a certain wisdom that you'll be able to. Abantu ababanjwe ukukhuluma kwakho kakhulu. Abantu babanjwa igrace kaNkulunkulu newisdom akunikeze yona. You understand? So now uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ekunikeza your audience to deal with, ukunikeza neindlela. Angithi abantu right now it stays it's in their minds and in their hearts.
And that's that.
And then God says to me, do you know what you are preaching is the word of God? So he took me back to the word of God. Mangabe likhuluma kahle kahle Ntuli sisters. If bekufanele ngiyiname nge-English, I was gonna say it's an upper room worship. Now in the Bible, more understand that the upper room worship. It's where uJesu ngesikhathi ezohamba esiphambanweni i-last supper yakhe wayenzela in an upper room. Maningi ama-miracles abekade enzakala in an upper room. Ukhona nje umama wayeshonela umntwana wenza the upper room. Uma ngabe efile kwathiwa akathatha umntwana yombeka in an upper room. So meaning kwi-upper room there were a lot of things that were happening. So ngayithatha ngayibuyisela kwi-term yethu la emhlabeni yasestezi. So Ntuli sisters, there's nothing playful about it. It's something that needs you to connect noNkulunkulu. It's a worship ekulelazini eliphezulu.
But akasibuyele la yazi mina futhi ngathi mengibona kuthiwa uThina uzokhipha i-album ekuthiwa Ntuli sisters. I'm like hayibo ingane kaThina kusiyena noNtuli. Kanti iqhamukapi le was he not inspired? Did he not inspire the title
the
of
album?
The album?
Not really.
No?
Not really. But undumiso uyiphathi yendumiso yasestate. Whenever ngibonga, mangabe phela udumisa, you are worshiping, ufaka nokubonga lapho, you're being grateful, you're being thankful ezintweni uNkulunkulu awenzele zona. Undumiso is on another level. That one we cannot run away from.
Indumiso noma udumiso?
Undumiso
ingane. Laleli iyagiga le ngane. Hayibo iyagiga le ngane. But here's my question. Something I want to ask. How does he deal with the famous esikoleni?
Everything.
Look,
okumnandi la ufunda khona ufunda nolunye uhlobo.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi ubibeke kanjalo. Ngazi ungene inkingeni.
Ufunda nolunye uhlobo. But I love how the teachers understand the journey yakhe. I love everything nje uNkulunkulu indlela amshape ngayo, but he's growing very well and doing very well. I'm happy and I'm a proud father. Kandumiso. So nje I'm grateful with what God is doing with him.
Yes. I love how you say you're a proud father. Abasekho baningi abantu besilisa abakhona empilweni zengane, abanye babaleka, abanye basuke bexabene noma mase be decide ukushiya phansi, abanye abasekho sebaphumula. But I love that you're here for him, and ngiyathemba ukuthi and ngiyafisa ukuthi abanye abantu besilisa mebekubona but ubasho ukuthi I want to be like him. Mhlawumbe singangagiga nentwana but ngibe khona for ingane. Yes.
Because the only way yokwazi ukubona italent lomntwana wakhe is when you near him. You know, or near her. So ubone ukuthi wenzaka uyambuza yini ayithandayo. Okay, because besikade sikhuluma nje noNshengu sihamba la endleleni ukuthi ingane zethu more than listening, they are watching. Ukuthi senzani. So you cannot uthi ingane yenze enye into wena ube wenze enye. Yabo inkalankala yifundisana ingane sikhanjwa kanje, zabona umama ehamba kanje, zabona ubaba ehamba kanje. So whenever ucabanga lokho ukuthi the minute ngiphume endleleni abantwaneni bami ayikho into engisazoyikhuluma because they will want to see what I do.
All right, nginibingelele ngani zakwethu kuzo zonke indawo la khamba kwafinyelela khona lo mbukiso. La khona besilalile khona uThina Zungu umculi wegospel ekhuluma noPhenny Ntuli umsakazi weJozi FM. Siyokhumbula ukuthi uye waba undaba mlonyeni uPhenny Ntuli. ey'nsukwini ezedlule nje kukhulunywa ngaye ngapha nangapha emva kokuba edalule ukuthi yini emhambise kumsakaza besakaza kuwona okuyiGagasi FM elisakazela khona la e-KZN. So eveza ukuthi ubehola i-contract besemkhomba ukuthi uzohola u-2.8 nophoqe ukuthi abone ukuthi hayi ngcono ayishiye phansi. Wase-ke ethola amadlelo aluhlaza noma singathi akuhlaza khona le eJozi kwiJozi FM lapho sengumsakazi kakhona. Lapha-ke sike sabona ebhala ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ebonga uThinah Zungu ngokumgqugquzela ukuthi akalithathe leli thuba lokuya eGoli. Kepha-ke la bese wase embiza-ke embizela kwi-interview bekhuluma nje bedingida ngondaba ze-stage nokunye nje okuzwile. Kepha ngaphandle kokulanda kakhulu awasike sihlangane ku-comment section sive ukuthi wena uthini, yini oyifundile ngalolu daba. Siyabonga, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike, ushare.